Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
Nice to have you back, Taurus. Monday is likely to start on a positive note. You may get more inclined to learn about beauty and art this week. Moreover, there are chances of grooming and self-improvement. You may also get new projects which may also increase your workload. There are high chances that you may get multiple opportunities for financial gain. You can also expect some gifts and financial gain from a colleague or in-laws. However, your aggressive approach may create issues in your relationship. A piece of advice: try to connect at an emotional and deep level with your partner. Also, spend some quality time with him or her. There are chances of some expenses related to foreign related business plans. You may get gain from your friends and support from your siblings. Additionally, sudden family responsibility may give stress to you. There are chances of loss of property or land. You might get a marriage proposal. You might get some opportunities to expand your business. However, avoid getting egoistic with your business partner. Tuesday is a good day for those looking for romantic license. You will seek the support and company of your sweetheart to fight feelings of solitude and boredom. Those who are single ought to strike gold, considering how Lady Luck will be grinning at the efforts you make to win over your love. Today may be challenging for you. Try to have a harmonious relationship with your elder siblings. There are chances of disagreement with your family or colleagues. Also, don't get into the wrong friend circle. This can distract your attention from your work. Try to speak less so that you don't get into an unnecessary argument. Moreover, unplanned expenditure on fulfilling desires and friends may lead you to financial crunch. Students need to improve their skills. Help and guidance from your mother may prove to be fruitful for you. The current transit of planets will be favorable, and thus the suggestion from your mother may give success in your career. You may get the desired support from seniors at your workplace. You are advised to follow the instructions of your parents. Also, false commitment may lead you into financial loss, and because of this, stress may be there. Wednesday, you are ambitious and quite unapologetic about the way you pursue your goals. You will work hard and push your way through if you have to. Not just that, you will see to it that you have all the skills and competency required to make it big. Success is never served on a plate, and you know it. Get ready to bask in applause. Well, not literally, but your planet does foresee you getting that long due recognition today for all the hard work you've been putting at your workplace. This goes hand in hand with the support of your colleagues and the good wishes of your seniors, especially if it is some new project that you are undertaking. Remember, a job well begun is already half done. So carry on with the same zeal and watch success coming your way. Today, you will have a tendency to remain possessive about your personal belongings. You are likely to join personality development courses to achieve your ultimate goals. An unpleasant occurrence is likely to throw you off guard, but remember, there is hope when there is life. Thursday is likely to begin on a positive note. However, planets may not let you relax entirely. This is not the right time for action or expecting quick results. Rather, focus on strategizing and evaluating your actions. Take a pause and re-examine the decisions taken in the past. Gradually, the planets will be in your favor, and thankfully, they may enhance your dedication, helping you perform well. Moreover, your inherent abilities and talents may have a boost. There may be some wonderful moments to enjoy with your mate. Also, there are chances of making good profits out of some of your old investments, and there may be a major improvement in your financial status. Some of your old connections will be revived and likely to help you to quite an extent in your profession. Additionally, there are high chances that you get the desired rewards for your sustained effort in your studies, and eventually you may get some good remarks from your mentors. No major ailment is foreseen today, and hence you may maintain a good health for most part of this day. Friday may prove to be a bit challenging for you. Try to avoid controversies and do not get involved in any unnecessary matters. Moreover, there are chances that you may be in trouble, especially due to office politics or maybe with someone who is your close friend. Taking the right advice from the right person may help you to overcome your problems. If you are planning to invest in the share market, then you are advised to stay away from speculation. Such investment may make you lose even your principal amount, hence stay cautious while investing. Additionally, you are advised not to seek any loan assistance as repaying the same may not be easy for you. At the same time, lending can also be avoided. No major health issues are foreseen. On Saturday, you will realize that close relationships need care and concern to grow. You will have new responsibilities and achieve huge profits in all your dealings. Pay special attention to your personal health. In relationship matters, you would be in no mood to argue over small matters and be more forgiving. You may be affectionate towards your partner and enjoy intimacy. You are confident in keeping your romance alive, and your partner is likely to feel great with you. Venus believes that you will not have any major constraint in managing your money because you will be more practical today. Pragmatic approach towards money matters will help you save money. You may have a way with words, but women somehow always have their way with you. Your problem is that while you may use your words to pull some strings, the master puppeteer in most cases will be a woman. So, to keep yourself happy, you may have to make the concerned woman happy. On Sunday, it may be a favorable day for you. There may be an enhancement of your decision making skills. Today may bring some good opportunities for growth amid stiff challenges. Also, you may make some important decisions. You need to accept the changes and try to change your stubborn and inflexible nature. Today, you may experience a deep emotional attachment with your beloved ones. Additionally, you may be in sync with your roots and family values. You are likely to be more interested in expanding your knowledge and learning new things. You may get the desired support in your studies. Also, you can expect some good inflow of money today. You are advised to avoid shortcuts for quick financial gains. You are likely to maintain your health. No major health issues are foreseen. However, take proper care of your diet and do regular exercise.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.